My name is Alice. I am 32 years old. I work in a hotel. I am a waiter. My job is to serve food to customers. I work long hours every day because I like to serve people. My job is a blessing. I live alone. I don't have a boyfriend. I work all the time, so I am very tired. I often go to see my mother. My mother lives alone in the farm. I don't see her much, so I worry about her. Her life is very simple. She works in the farm all day, and at night, when she is tired, she cooks food if she can, otherwise she goes to bed hungry. One day, it changed when a new manager came to work at the hotel. His name was James. He was 2 years younger than me. He is 30 years old and he is very handsome. He has beautiful eyes and beautiful hair. He is very calm and he likes to laugh. He likes all the workers in the hotel because he is friendly and kind. I initially thought that James would not look at me because I am not very tall and not very thin, but I am an ordinary woman. Because I do not wear fashionable clothes, and I do not have long beautiful hair. I did not think that James would like me. He looked at me and started chatting with me. He is very kind. James used to smile at me every day. I was surprised that I did not think that a person like James would be interested in an ordinary woman like me. One day James asked me if I could take you to your room. If you have nothing to wear, I told him. Then he took me in his car and dropped me off at my house. We were going home in the car and we talked about work and then about families. I enjoyed talking to James. James sometimes took me home and sometimes he even took me to work. We used to sit together at lunch and chat. I gradually liked him and I wanted to meet him every day. Then one day James asked me if I would like to see the circus. I said yes. Then one day we went to see the circus. It was a lot of fun to see the circus. We chatted for hours after watching the circus. I probably like James as much as I like him. Then a few days passed and one day James told me that Alice, I am married. I am married. I was completely shocked that a person who had ever come into my life made me feel very sad. James said that I am not happy with my wife. I do not like living with her. I just love spending time with you because I love you too. One day James and his wife come to a friend's birthday party and James keeps smiling at me and his wife is looking at me. His wife is very beautiful. She looks like a model. Then why does James stay with me? I kept thinking for a few days. I can't do it. I can't sleep. Then I asked James to meet me. Then I told James, why should I create problems between you two? You are happy. Your wife is beautiful. Then I don't think it's right for me to interfere in your happy life. Then James gets sad. Tears come from his eyes. James says that I love you very much and I want to be with you all my life. Then I said, this is not right, but James, I care about you a lot. I want to see you happy forever. Then we made the right decision. We understood each other. We said goodbye and left. If you like the story, please like and share.